guys, welcome back to my living room floor and my channel. My name's Martine Bierman, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the microwave spinning challenge that's all over TikTok. It's really cool. Please make sure that you guys go like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment with your TikTok name so I know who you are. And if you like this tutorial, again, please give it a thumbs up. Tag me in whatever you guys create from this. Okay, so let's get into it. So basically what's happening with this is there's several different ways to do this. Of course, there's the funny way where like people have been pulling their own feet, like they've had friends pull their feet. There's another way that you can do it where, and I'll show you guys. So like, let's say my foot is off, it's not in the frame. My head's barely in the frame. We're gonna go a couple close. Okay, so my foot's kind of in the frame. You could have somebody be under there and that person can pull you. So that's one way. That is the first way to do this challenge. Okay, way number 2 is to have somebody attach some, you can make like a bracelet basically, or like an anklet of tape, using tape, and then you'll put that around your foot, and then somebody will be off there, like off screen, and then they'll pull you basically around using tape, which hopefully nobody's gonna be able to see, although to be honest, I don't know how effective that one is. So that is way number 2. And just for fun, I think that these ones were done with way number 2. This is a really cool tutorial where people are actually teaching you how to do that. I think this is rad. Make sure you go follow their account. They seem like they got their stuff. For my third and final way, which is the way that we are gonna do this, it's gonna take some stomach muscle. That's all I can say to you, is gonna take some stomach muscle. So what you're gonna do is you're going to position your body on the floor, and I like to make sure, firstly, my foot, there's no one here. It would be way easier if there was, but there's no one here. And I'm not going to be using anything else except my actual body, which is what actually makes this pretty much the exact challenge that they're asking for. I'm just gonna use a little bit of optical illusion. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this leg, my outer leg that's closest to the wall or the other surface. I'm not gonna move this leg because that is part of the optical illusion, but I am gonna use the strength of my body on this side to pull this leg over. So I'm gonna keep my other foot on the ground, flat on the ground, and then I'm gonna use this leg and pull myself like that. So now what it ends up doing is your feet end up starting to meet. So as soon as you kind of have this leg a little bit closer to this one, so like visually, you plant this foot using your heel and you just keep going with the other side. And you can do that really slowly so that it still looks continuous. So you're gonna put yourself down on the ground. Your outer leg, which is further away from the visual place where people are looking at your video, you're going to use that to pull it in like that, and then just keep going on the other side. This is what my video looks like that I did. I know that my feet are off camera, but again, it's just given the frame size, there's no one else here. I did that on my own, and so can you. I know that this is a really quick tutorial, but I think sometimes those are appropriate and the best. So please let me know which one you guys did in the comments. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. Please give me a thumbs up on this video and let me know if this has been useful to you. I also really want to know from you guys, what do you want to know next? Is there a cool transition that you've been wanting to know about? Is there a hack that you think like maybe I could work out for you? I'm going to be doing some more tutorials about apps. I think I'm gonna move into Like app as well and show you guys how to do some really cool functions on there, because the editing abilities on that application are just mind-blowing. And that's it for today, guys. Please make sure again to like and subscribe. I love you so much, and thank you for hanging out with me. I'm Martine Bierman, and I will see you next time.